So hi everyone, we're going to be making a makeup look for Valentine's Day today. This is going to be more of a pink soft glam type of makeup look, and this would suit a lot of skin tones. I would leave the links to the products in the description bar below, so make sure you check that out. Quickly, let's just get along with the tutorial. Just to make sure my skin doesn't get oily throughout the day and night, I'm going to be using the Becca Ever-matte Poreless Perfecting Primer. And I'm going to be patting the primer right along my T-zone. I'm going to be using the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation in the shade 3.1. Next step, I'm going to be using the Sephora High Coverage Concealer, and this one's in the shade 27 Peach Beige. It is a little lighter to my skin, but I'm basically going to use this for highlighting under my eyes now. So I'm just going to drag the product first, and then I'm going to be patting it in with the buffing brush. Now that I'm done with my concealer, I'm going to be using the Sugar Beauty's All Set to Go banana powder. I'm going to slightly use this to bake under my eyes. So I'm going to be baking my under eyes using this powder, and it's also going to help me to avoid any fallout. I'll be using the Benefit Brow Eyebrow Pomade in the shade 4.5. So eyebrows are on fleek, and now let's move on to eyeshadow. So I'll be using this eyeshadow palette, which is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. This is one heck of an awesome palette. So you can check out the review on one of the corners over here where I've reviewed the entire palettes, and I have looks which you can actually do using this palette. So we're going to be doing a pink soft glam look today. I'll be picking some of Dollface and Demure on a blending brush. I'm going to be using this cranberry shade here called as Man-Eater, and I'm going to apply that right into our crease. So I'm thinking of doing a cut crease, and I'm going to be using the same concealer. So I'll be using these two shades here, which is called Pink Diamond, and this one is Rose Gold. So I'm going to be taking some of Rose Gold on my pinky finger, and I'm going to just push the product inwards. So we are done with the cut crease, and I am digging this look totally. So I'm going to be taking some more of Man-Eater, and I'm going to be buffing out the edges. I'll be using the Maybelline Lasting Drama gel eyeliner. I've done half my wing, and I'm going to quickly smudge it right here. So I'm only going to be smudging the upper part of the wing, not the lower one. So I'm going to ever so slightly extend my wing in the inner corner, just to give my eyes a little more of an elongated effect. So I'm going to be using some of Man-Eater and Black Truffle for my under eyes. I'm going to connect it to the wing that we made in the upper lash line. I'm going to bring it all the way down. I'm using Black Truffle along my lash line. So I'm going to be using some of the shade called Bubbly over here, and then I'm going to be adding some of it on the high points of my eyebrow. So now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm going to dust this powder off. I'm using the Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama. So this one is the Pack Mink lashes in M72, and so I'm going to be adding these lashes, which are extended towards the outer corner. So I'm done adding my lashes, and let's move on to the face because I look matte as hell and I can't deal with this. I'm going to be using the K Beauty Contour Stick, and this one's in the shade 02 Caramel Focus. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to be using the Kiko Milano Green Me blush, and this one's in the shade 102 Soft Mauve. So because I'm going in for almost an all pink look, I wanted to make sure that even my blush is also pink. So I'm kind of sticking to the tones here. So I'll be using the contour, the first highlighter from Sugar Beauty in the shade 04 Royal Rose. So this one is the Nykaa Matte Last Liquid Lipstick, and this one's in the shade Rukmini 01. So I'm going to be adding this gloss above it, which is 01 Honey Boo. So this is like a super pretty soft glam type of look, which is mostly like pink, and it kind of suits Valentine's Day. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up and you do subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye.